books haven't been dusted in a long time. Oops. Oh well, time to start over.
Caring is the key to unlock the magic. Helping others care